y'all ever seen these things? Yeah, we use them a lot. Well, I just spent about 2.5 hours outside taking down Christmas lights, and I have an idea this year. I'm not just gonna take them down for good. That's my idea. Let's hit the intro. Tell me. Hey, no, what's my idea? What did I just plug in here? Well, Christmas lights. They're down here. They're under our bed. Now, I'm sorry about the messy room. I just am not going to clean it up right now because I don't have time. I want to get something done. Here's what I want to get done. I want to make an underglow under my bed with the lights. I'm going to tape them up underneath. Maybe under there. Maybe under there. Question mark, question mark, question mark. That is the plan. Here we go. Whoa, I set the auto exposure lock for a darker room. Look at what it does in the brighter room. Isn't this weird? All right, here's what I need to get. I need to get some tape here. And then I need to get, oh, some more lights. Just ate dinner. Sorry, I'm getting some coffee. Just got some new whipped cream today. Oh yeah, that's good stuff right there. Okay. Hey guys, I'm actually going to Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, so that's what this outfit is for. But hope you guys enjoyed that. Basically, the idea was just where can I put Christmas lights where I can keep them up all year round without it seeming super Christmassy, if you know what I mean. So putting them behind something where all you can see is their glow. It's a beautiful warm glow, and it's basically free. Well, anyways, it was a great idea. I really enjoyed it. The outcome was amazing. It takes a long time to tape it up, but the outcome was absolutely worth it. I love it, and I have those lights on all the time in there. Just be careful because it can be a fire hazard. Make sure you do it in a way where it's safe. There was, at one point, a broken light that I had to replace with a new one because it was sparking. I don't want that next to my carpet. So, anyways, other than that, thanks for watching. There will be more videos linked right at the end of this. And if you like this video, please like it. If you don't like it, dislike it. That like button can be found right next to the subscribe button. Well, I'm not implying anything. She's silly. She thinks I'm implying something there.